Setting up mobile app consent is simple and takes less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. First, log in or sign up to your Seers dashboard and navigate to Mobile Consent. You'll be redirected to the Mobile App Manager. Click Add Mobile App and enter your app details, including the app name, app ID, platform, and other required information to proceed. Once completed, your mobile app will be added successfully. Now, select your app and click Next to access the Get SDK section. Here, you'll find your mobile app settings along with your app ID. Copy the SDK and integrate it into your mobile app's build.gradle file. Then, copy the settings ID and add it to your application.java file. Once integrated, the SDK will automatically handle consent management for your app. Next, move to the Customization tab to configure your consent banner and enable the required consent frameworks. Enable the options relevant to your mobile app. Google Consent Mode v2 is enabled by default to support Google's consent requirements. Now head over to the Visuals section to customize the appearance of your consent banner. Here you can personalize multiple elements including theme, banner display style, layout, text, colors, language, buttons, and more. Preview your changes and save your updated banner design. After that, go to the Banner Content section to add or edit the text displayed on your consent banner, then save your changes. Next, open the Tracking Manager tab to manually block any SDK trackers that you do not want active within your app. You can also review the Permission Audit section to see which permissions your mobile app is collecting and their associated risk levels. For example, precise location may appear as a critical or high-risk permission, while Access Ad Services may be marked as normal with lower risk. Save your configuration and continue to the By Region tab. Here you can enable region detection. Choose manual mode to configure regions individually, or enable AI-enhanced auto-region detection to automate the process. Once everything is configured, go to the Reports tab. Review your detailed mobile app scanning reports, including permission sensitivity analysis and SDK breakdown by category. Use these insights to identify areas that may require improvements. You can also download the report and keep it for compliance records or future audits. Finally, visit consent logs to monitor user interactions with your banner. See how many users provided consent, review their preferences, and understand where consent activity is coming from. And that's it. Your mobile app consent setup is now complete. Turn privacy compliance into a growth engine for your mobile app.